Just about to board for Maui, so it's getting closer. I can feel it in my heart and my nerves a little bit, but we're just going to keep on taking deep breaths. Thank you. You too.
Jessica 4. So this
is gonna see that? This is what you're gonna do.
Simple.
Yep.
It's amazing.
Look at the cake.
I was looking at your nose.
And you can put some new content on your channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in other words, if you need to shut a window.
Mrs. Nonaka.
Yeah, she'd make it for New Year's.
The light.
And the sunlight was coming.
Here, Chinese restaurant.
Gulch.
Like a huge gulch, you know. So a retired football player, and they have.
Aloha, here I am on Maui, sitting right above the neighborhood where Matt's parents lived and where Matt and his sister Jessica were raised here on Maui. And just above a little bit of the destruction that was just above their street on Kula Drive. Just been driving around since I've been here. This is my first time actually outside on the ground, out in the neighborhood. And boy, it is devastating. The smell, it definitely reeks of smoke. And just to see, it's sort of like an eerie feeling, like to see these devastated homes, you know, it's just so quiet. But so far, yeah, it's a lot more to actually be sitting here and walking around and smelling things and sort of hearing sort of like the silence, I guess, is maybe the way to say it. Either way, I hope my volume is better. I'm trying the AirPods, and I think that'll probably work. But I will talk to you all soon, and thank you so much for watching. Aloha.
What else is pretty too? There's Jessica Box.
Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little view of what it's like to be living in Kula right now. So here I am in the bathroom. This water works, but it's no good. So we're having to use this bottled water here to brush teeth and, you know, rinse out your mouth or gargle or any of that. So we've got water right here, and here's some more backup that we can put in the fridge. So this is, you know, constantly rotated so that for drinking water. We are at the kitchen sink. Water works fine, but it's not okay. So we have water here by the sink so that we can, again, wash the fruit, wash hands if need, all that kind of good stuff. So Doreen has told me that this is definitely, you know, the water is crucial for steaming your vegetables, washing your rice, washing your eggs, you know, all those things that you go to the tap for. This becomes now your tap. This is now a water closet. And mahalo, Maui Strong, and that's the way to go. And I hope to show you guys the hub that is now existing in Pukalani that used to be up here in Kula, but where you can get a lot of these resources. Right? Good point. Like getting your workout.
Venmo, easy to get money, more than 3 months.
Yeah? The silver truck still stands. The wind just stopped and the fire just stopped there. Right? Glass all melt, aluminum rings all melt. got melt though. Come, look. There's no fuse to burn this thing. This is the housing for transmission, the front part. That big aluminum housing set.
Yeah.
It doesn't have any oil or anything to burn it up, to melt it down like this. From this grass around here, check out the grass around here. Is it this kind of grass? Burn this? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And how come this thing doesn't really burn anything? Okay? But look at that one.
Right next to it.
Yeah. And how come this rim didn't get melt down like the other one? Burn down. There's no fire coming from out.
They were right here.
Look at the
Right here.
entire mark. You see them?
I see it.
Big trail. That's a fire truck. There's 3 of them up here. This is all a property. A native property is up there by the tree line. I don't see no trail of them coming in. And the carpet not burning.
I mean, Great, thanks. Here I am waiting for my flight over back to the Big Island, and I'm the only person on this plane right now. So I was the only one connecting from Maui to, or rather from Maui to Honolulu to Big Island. So here I am by myself on a plane. I've not experienced this ever in my life. I just wanted to briefly tell you about my trip to Maui. Seeing everybody there, every single person had a story to tell. Everybody was helping, and there's a lot of pain, and people are trying to connect dots. And but there's a lot of help, and people are talking, and it's very healing in that way. And I think that people have realized that their community is strong enough to sustain, and that's what is important. And I want to let you all know that. And it was very healing to go to Maui, oddly enough. I thought that I would be more traumatized, but I felt like I was given the power of what was happening there in a very positive way in working through this situation, and this destruction, this disaster, this catastrophe. But I hope y'all still can keep on watching, and I hope that I'll be able to, what I am sharing with you is something that is valuable, and that are people's stories. And I thank you for allowing me to try to share those stories with you. Mahalo.
You know what else is pretty too? Is Jessica bought this